seeing a weird green tint or full green screen on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it. First, do a quick force restart. If you have Face ID, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. On other models, just hold home plus power together. Next, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Then turn the true tone off if it's on. You can also try disabling night shift. Sometimes this can mess with screen color. And also check if there's an update available and install the latest version of iOS. Finally, if your screen is still green or flickering, it could be a hardware issue. You might need to visit the Apple Store or Service Center. And if this helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more iPhone fixes. Thank you for watching.